Hello students, welcome to Eganeet. In this video, we are going to solve question number 1 from exercise 13.5. The name of the chapter is Surface Areas and Volumes, class 9th NCERT. So let's read the question. A matchbox measures 4 cm by 2.5 cm by 1.5 cm. Obviously, these are the dimensions of a matchbox. What will be the volume of a packet which contains 12 such boxes? We have to find the volume of the packet which contains 12 such boxes, right? So basically, let me give you the hint to solve this question, and the hint is in the step number 1, first find out volume of one box, volume of one matchbox, find out this. Now this is obviously a cuboid. It is a three-dimensional figure. Length, breadth and heights are different. So this is not a cube, it's a cuboid. So first find out the volume of the matchbox. That's step number 1. And then the volume of one packet will simply be 12 times volume of the box. Let me call this as VB into VB. Now that is your hint. Use this hint to find out the answer. If you are not able to do it, don't worry, we are going to solve this. Let's solve it. Okay, first we'll find out the volume of one matchbox. So that is equals to length into breadth into height. What is the length? It is 4 cm, breadth is 2.5 cm and height is 1.5 cm, right? 4 times 2.5 will be 10 times 1.5 will be equals to 15. Length, breadth and height are given in terms of centimeters, so the volume of one matchbox will be equals to 15 centimeter cube, right? That's the step number 1. Now in the second step, we'll find out volume of the packet which contains 12 boxes, right? So 12 into volume of the one matchbox, which is 15, right? So 12 5s are 60. Let's write 0, carry 6, 12 ones are 12, 12 plus 6, which is equals to 180. Now that's the volume. So again, it will also be in centimeter cube. I hope students, you have very well understood the solution of this question. If you want solutions of all the entire exercise with using hint methodology, then download our app from Google Play Store, or you can also visit the Eganeet website. Thank you for watching.